Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to view your Apple Card virtual card number. If you're an Apple Card user, you know how convenient it is for everyday spending, but sometimes you need that virtual number for online shopping or subscriptions. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. This keeps everything secure and up to date. Head to your Settings app, go to General, and then Software Update to check. Once that's done, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app, the one with the wallet icon. It's usually on your home screen or in your Utilities folder. In the Wallet app, scroll through your cards until you find your Apple Card. Tap on it to open the Details page. Here, you'll see an option like Card Details or Virtual Card Number. Go ahead and tap that. For security reasons, your iPhone will ask you to authenticate. This could be with Face ID, Touch ID, or even your passcode. Just follow the prompt to verify it's really you. After authentication, your virtual card number will appear on the screen, along with the expiration date and CVV code. You can view it, and if you need to, there's often a copy option to paste it elsewhere. Remember, Apple prioritizes your privacy, so this number might only be visible for a short time or until you navigate away. If you're using it for a purchase, always make sure the website is secure to protect your information. And there you have it. That's how you easily access your Apple Card virtual number. It's a straightforward process designed to keep your details safe. If you run into any issues, double-check your app updates or reach out to Apple support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.